With components created, you can easily link to them from another document by pasting them. A link is created between the source document and the document you pasted it in. When changes are made to the component in the source, you can choose to update the linked components in documents that use them. This makes it so you could build a single source of truth as a pattern library, for instance. So let's take a look at linked components. With your design system open, this component needs to be used in another document. So copy the component, and with the document you see here open or a new document you create, go ahead and paste that component. Now the pasted component instance is linked to the source document. With the Assets panel showing, you can actually see the component and a link icon here. If you move the pointer over the link, you're going to see a source document name and that it's up to date. You can also see this component that was nested within the other component that is also linked. When a linked instance is used in a consuming document like this, you can use overrides. You can change the style, the appearance, resize it to customize any local instances. In this case, we need to make an appearance change that affects all instances, so we'll edit the master. If you want to edit the master component, you need to do so in the source document. To do that, right-click the component on the canvas or in the Assets panel and choose Edit Master in Source Document. The source document should open up. If you then make a modification in the component somehow, I'll double-click on it and change something. Maybe change the border to be much thicker and apply one of your colors from the Assets panel to the border. Save the master component, returning to the document you pasted it into. You're going to see a blue badge next to the linked component instance in the consuming document that tells you that an update is available. You can hover over this blue badge in the Assets panel to preview before you commit. Click the blue badge to accept the updates for an individual component, or if there are multiple components with updates, click the Update All button down here. If later you decide the component link needs to be removed, maybe you don't want this to update when the source document updates, you can make the component local by right-clicking in the Assets panel and choosing Make Local Component. These types of linked assets can be used to share and reuse design elements across your design systems and also ensure brand consistency across your designs.